With Mr. Amarjit Singh. I'd like to introduce you about Mr. Amarjit Singh. Since last 16-17 years, he's practicing into alternate therapy, and he's expertise in many health therapies, and his program is also coming on Asta channel every night 12:35. And today what he's going to talk about is how Vastu and health are connected together. If there is some element which is happening, if you have any problem in your body, and how Vastu, by correcting by certain way, Vastu, if you correct certain elements in your house, you will definitely talk about it and how it will get cured by itself. So I'll just welcome Mr. Amarjit Singh. So please.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you very much. Thank you to Help Library. Always there. Effort of Mr. and Mrs. Malpani. It's a great effort that they've done for Bombay. Actually, it's one of the world's biggest. And there's no other library like this where people get a chance to come in, read, and also meet many experts from different fields. So it's a wonderful way of sharing and learning at the same time. Now, talking about myself, Shilpa just introduced me. Shilpa has been associated with me since 1999 when she had come to our center in Andheri for some consultations. And then at that time she was in her BSc final year. But she was so happy. Please come, please. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Please. So she was so happy with the results that she got from our center that she decided, please sir, sit that side. Sir, she was so happy with the results that she decided to take it up as a career. Okay, so alternate medicine is, there are so many systems of alternate medicine that unemployed people or people who don't have jobs can come in and, earn their bread and butter. I'm basically a civil engineer by profession. Okay, and I did my engineering from Bombay University in 1984. Okay, I passed out and I traveled across India in Bombay and other cities for my service. But I went to the Gulf in Iraq in the year 1986, and I was under tremendous pressure over there. And pressure does lead to illness, right? We all know that today. But way back in 1986, it was uncommon to understand कि pressure से बीमारी कैसे होती है. एक ही चीज़ होती थी कि blood pressure हो सकता है, ठीक है? But I suffered and I came back to India, and I suffered between 86 and 99 with ulcerative colitis. Okay, ulcerative colitis, as you know, is the inflammation of the large intestine, where you pass mucus and blood 20 to 40 times a day. And my weight was around 55 and it became 45. So over 13 years of suffering between 86 and 99, I was in and out of the best hospitals in Mumbai. I met the best doctors in gastroenterology that you could think of in Mumbai. They are still there. But I was only told one answer. I would always go back to a new doctor after stopping my medication, and the only answer I would get is, you got colitis, you can't stop medication. I said, I want an answer to my colitis. They said, there's no answer in the world to ulcerative colitis. You have to be on Vizolone, that's steroids. If it flares up, you have to take Slazopyrin or Mesacol. Okay, nowadays you got variants of it. So, but ultimately at the end of the day, my problem was being suppressed. Okay, suppression. It was not helping me live a happy life, because I would have to spend lots of money on medication. It's okay if you spend lots of money, provided you get some outcome from it. But I was not getting any outcome from my medication. And then I slowly started hunting, and I tried so many methods of treatment, but I was not getting good results. The results were there, of course. In alternate medicine, my results started coming in, but they were not that stable that I would have wanted to discontinue my medication and not take any medication and yet live a perfect life. But when I came into understand that no system is perfect. At the end of the day, it took me 13 years to understand homeopathy is good, but it's not perfect on its own. Yoga is good, but it requires practice. Ayurvedic is very good, but it requires a lot of do's and don'ts. Right? Every system has its own pros and cons. But as we would always want something which is fast. But then I said, why not combine? Combine some yoga, combine some acupressure, combine some homeopathy, combine some aromatherapy and do it together, and then what you see? Then you see results come in faster. So between 1999 and 2014 today, we have helped solve the most complex disorders in the world that come to us, not by a single method of, it's not only Sujok, but we combine many methods for any problem. And that's we have the results. When I discuss my cases with some medical doctors, they are astonished to understand, and they question me, neurology, how do you do it? I said, I don't do anything. The body does it. I am just a means. I understand a problem and I try to combine various methods of treatment and I give it to my client, and then they do the result, then they do the treatment on their own, and they tell me, neurology, my schizophrenia is better, my kidney failure is better, my liver cirrhosis is better, okay, my diabetes is better, I am able to eat sweets where I would not even think of even smelling a sweet. So now what happened is, over all these years I realized that something was missing. Something was really missing. Why? I had different methods, many, you name it and you can find them on the internet. They are available. Then we went into food supplements. There are many which are required by the human body. I can't do acupressure and think that I am going to take care of your nutritional aspect. With the method of acupressure, I can motivate in flow of blood in your body, but I cannot deliver nutrition until I give you nutrition. It's logical. You need nutrition. So food supplements are available. They are as cheap as 2 rupees a tablet to maybe 100 rupees a tablet available in India today, or worldwide also. They can be used, are being used, and we are recommending them. It depends on what type of problem the patient presents us with. We make them read it on the internet. We don't tell them what to do. We tell them this is a product that can help you. Please go on the internet, research, and if you are comfortable and you are willing to spend money on yourself, not on me. If you are willing to spend money on yourself, please use these supplements. And then the patient realizes, yes, if I am spending thousands of rupees eating tablets, I may as well spend another 2,000 rupees and eat these supplements and reduce my medication over a period of time. The third thing that we realized was missing was space. The dimension of space. Space is vastu. Okay? So, we started combining three. Space dimension. Vastu has been in India for over 3,000 years. There are countless temples, mosques and churches built in India, and forts which are still available today. And they have been built by kings of that era. And those kings have prospered by living in those palaces, and those kings have prospered by building those temples as per Vastu principles. And those kings used Vastu to get highest to the throne, that is the male child. Vastu is so perfect. If applied properly, it can give you anything and everything that you desire. It's like a genie which is awaiting activation. But sadly, since the past decade, there are so many Vastu people in India and abroad. They have taken Vastu to the limit that the moment they enter your house, they are going to tell you 20 wrong things about your house. And the Vastu that I practice, that we practice, is real Vastu. Where we don't tell you what's wrong with your house. We tell you where you are living is your temple. It's perfect. Okay? I ask you, what's your problem in your temple? Can you tell me your problem, please? You are my king, I am your minister. You love your house, you paid for your house, it's your house, it's perfect. It's not wrong. If your kitchen is in the north or east or west or south, or your toilet is in the north, it's okay. Because at that moment in life, when you had a X amount of money, you went into a building which was nearby and you decided to buy a house on the 4th floor because it was available. You had that much money. You went to Borivali and you went into a location because you wanted to live near a station. So you go to a builder near Borivali station and you find a building which suits your pocket. You go in and the builder says, I've got 1000 square feet office flat, it's available at 10 lakh rupees. And you say, I got 11. Okay, let me take this 10 lakh rupee flat. Done. You pay in the money, you shift in as fast as you can. And you start living in that house. And then you realize over a period of time that something is not okay with one person of my family. Maybe somebody is not keeping well. Maybe you had a lot of money and now that you're facing some financial problems. Then you start blaming the house. Right? But there's somebody above you also. No? Same building, same layout, but no problem. They are prospering. The one beneath you buys 10 houses out of that house. Right? It's the same building. Na? You live in your same building. Am I right? What changes in your house that sets you apart from the other people is when you go into your toilet and you paint it another color apart from the color of your ground of the person below you. You go into your kitchen and you make a change and you install something else of a different color. So now that's where cause and effect takes place. Manifestation starts from that moment because you made a change in your surroundings. It could be even color of your curtains. Okay? What happens is the moment you start realizing something is going wrong, but you can't put your finger onto it. What happens is people will now, then you go to a Vastu consultant, he comes in and he says, well, your toilet is in the wrong place, it shouldn't be there. So he gives you a bad thought. But can you change that toilet? You can't change it. No, I would want it to be in the east, but it's in the west. So what do you do about it? So he forces you to do so many things. And none of them work. In fact, you go from better to worst. Because they don't wait. They tell you what's wrong with you. They don't ask you what's your problem. Because you invite them to get an answer and then you are held up in their mystery of their words. What happens with our principles is, we don't tell you anything. We ask you your problem. And based on your problem, I will show you an answer. This is how it works. So cause and effect is, if there is a problem that is manifested now, the cause exists in your surroundings. You take it from me, it will be there. This gentleman, I don't know him, he had come to our center many years ago. He shared a problem about his wife and his son. I told him the exact location in his house in which there could be a problem. Because we understand manifestation from a particular part of the house into the particular part of the body, or maybe in a particular part of the sphere of our life. It could be my family life, my business, my children, my health. We got so many different lives that we live. So each of the spheres would be, would be harmed or improved. I wouldn't say always harmed, improved, depending on the situation that exists in your house, which you are constantly, making a change. This is a case, this is how it works. This is very scientific, and majority of the people who practice Vastu don't even know, they are not even civil engineers. They are doing Vastu because they didn't have a job. So they became a Vastu consultant because they were practicing yoga and they started to learn Vastu. Or maybe they were doing astrology and now they started to do Vastu. Am I right or not? I remember one of India's leading Vastu consultants phoned me after watching my show and he said, I got a backache. I said, sir, you are one of India's leading Vastu consultants, yet you have not solved your backache. He got a shock. I said, if you claim that you can do so much with Vastu, Then how come you are still with a backache? I said, have you taken a MRI scan? No, I don't need a MRI scan. I said, why not? There could be a problem with your spine, no? That's why you got a regular pain. No, it's just a sitting posture. Then I said, change your chair. Right, what can I tell him? Now, if he doesn't want to take a MRI scan, he's not solved it through Vastu, then I recommended a change of chair. I said, then sir, you get a better chair. If you say it's postural, then you don't need my treatment, because any amount of treatment that I do to you won't work, because your chair is not okay. So he needs a better chair. So he says, yeah, that could be. I'll try to change my chair. I said, don't try, change it. Because unless you don't change a new chair, you will not know it works. So you have to understand it works. But you have to be open to an idea that how can you help yourself. This is a case in North India. They had come to us in December for their child. He was an autistic child, and we had sent the treatment from India, from Bombay, to Delhi, and they did the treatment, and the child started talking in 3 months. Autistic child talking in 3 months. It's not possible. It's unheard of, but it's a guarantee. It's done. I have the message in my WhatsApp. Okay, and I have the dates that we send the treatment to them. But when they came to meet me in Delhi and we started discussing about the child, I said, why don't you plan a second child? Because you got one child, he's now started talking. So we should always have a second child to take care of this child in case something happens. Then who's going to take care of this child? So then the parents said, no, we can't even think of a child. I said, okay. I said, maybe there's a fundamental problem in the Vastu of your house. And they said, yes. You know, we had an old house and we gave it, and we went in for renovation, and in 2009 we came into this new house, same house but renovated, 4 floors, brand new with basement. But ever since we came into this house, new house now, plot is the same, but new house, we've been facing so many problems. So I said, you see, you shifted into this house, you've been here since childhood, the husband's house, but when you shifted out of this house and then it was reconstructed, 4 stories with basement, and after that you started feeling everything. Initially you didn't have any problem. So they said, yes, Mr. Singh, that's what we've been analyzing. Well, since we've shifted back into this house, something or the other is going wrong. We've lost our jobs, husband and wife. A mother is a writer. She printed books, they're not sold. The son was born. The son is autistic. We have some queries from the legal department. Some payments are not coming, you know, what is right. Ever since we came into this house, my elder brother has been having a fight with us, inheritance, and my family, they're not happy with each other. So, you know, then they said yes. We went, then I was invited the next day. I went to visit the site. I'll show you the plan. They gave me 13 things. I asked them. I said, now I've come to your house. Tell me your problems, please. Because we cannot do a Vastu consultancy without going into their house. We have to see the house. We have to see each and every location. We have to mark. We have to see the color of tiles also. In each room, we have to see the color of the walls. We have to see the color of the painting, color of the curtains. Where is the TV involved? Where is the TV installed in that room? Everything has to be located on the map. And then we have to sit down and talk. They gave me 13 things. I've all written them down. You can see the time also. It's all mentioned. Health issues, finance, job. Mother has written a book, it's not being sold. Husband has also written a book, it's not been sold. You see opportunities, health, money. Then there's a problem with the family, within the family. No cohesiveness. Then they told me we want a child. Because one day earlier I made them understand they should have a child. Then the 6th was, we would like to have a second child. Because overnight they must have thought about it. Because I told them, I reasoned with them, that why not? I didn't say Q. I said, why not? Give me an answer. Why you shouldn't have a second child? Then they said, health problem of the wife. So I said, no problem. We can help her for that also. Anxiety due to health issues. Then the parents have got problem. Lack of happiness in the house due to the situation surrounding the family. Payment dues. The husband was, not told to leave his job, but he has not paid his dues. Okay. Money flow is reduced. They practice Reiki in Delhi. Okay. In the entire basement, they have a Reiki center. They are giving Reiki to people. So that's their income now. But they would like more clients to come in for Reiki. Then they are prone to minor accidents. They park their car, somebody comes and bangs it. They go on the road, some car comes and bangs them. So that. And then there's some scrutiny. When they didn't have a job, they are under scrutiny by the income tax department. So they gave me 13 things. So we sat down, we analyzed. And the best part is, after that, this is their layout. This is original layout of their property. Basement plus 4, valued at around 50 to 70 crore rupees. That's the value of this house. And imagine one child, autistic. But now they decided that they would like to have a second child. Because they realized the next morning that we've got such a huge property who's going to help that child manage this property. All the 4 floors are theirs. Everything is marked. This is the architectural layout. Everything is marked. The table, the fridge, the gas, the color of tiles, everything is marked. Now what we do, that's what is required. No? What we do, what I've been now working out is, in each of this sphere of life, I have to work on a smaller plan, I can't work on a big plan. So what I did is, I reduced it in a Xerox machine so that it fits a A4 size sheet. So it's simpler for me to handle and analyze. The basic principle is that I need, in the Vastu that we practice, we need the center line of the house. I need to know the tilt of the property to the true north and south. For that I have to be available. I have to take the center line of the house with the compass, and once I analyze what is the angle of the tilt of the property, factory, bungalow or anything, I am able to grid the unit. I grid the entire property, it's done. And each and everything that they mentioned over there is deficient in this property. Each and everything that is existing in their family today has manifested because of the location of the toilets, the location of the shaft, the location of the lift, the location of the entry, the location of the kitchen, the location of the wash basin in the kitchen, and the location of the gas in the kitchen. Can you imagine? If they didn't tell me their problem, I could have sat down in Bombay and I would have analyzed it and I would have told them on the phone that this is what exists in your family. But we are not allowed to diagnose. We will never tell you. We will never want to be a fortune teller. It's like a fortune. We look at your Janam Patri and we tell you what is happening in your life. So this is the Janam Patri of your house, of your life, because this is your primary place where you exist from. Okay? So now what happens is, what do you do? What do you do? There are no set standards because everything is fluid. What we can do is, what we'll be working in this case is, there will be no breakage at all. Not even an iota of breaking in that house. All their items I have checked. I have asked them for specific colors in their bathrooms now. Because that day I didn't note. I said I'll ask you later. So now I have told them I know the locations which are in trouble. Now in those locations I have told them I want the colors that exist in those locations. Because I will be now giving them answers through colors. Maybe addition of some item. If I want to introduce green color in a bathroom, I will tell them put green curtain, put a green towel, paint the back side of the door green, maybe apply stickers on your blue tiles green, install a light which is green in color. So what do? I mitigate the effect of that toilet because it falls in a particular portion of my life. Am I right? So what happens? When I work on that location just by adding or subtracting, because I can add something or I can subtract something, right? So we will be able to change their life through color, additions, and there are certain locations which we can say please avoid. Don't use this entry. Or maybe shift the position of the bed from one location to the other location which is more suitable for that person within that four walls of the room. Idea is zero breakage, maximum results. So much so that within a few weeks the patients or the individuals of that house start saying it's working. We've done it. We've seen results in 2 days in terms of increase in business opportunities, in terms of getting a job. Some of my friends' son wanted a shift in a company and I said, okay, you do this. They did it and within 2 days they shifted to a new job. Salary increase was 35%. They were thinking about it, but it materialized. I'm going to share that tip in the end. Take away new opportunities. That's why I wrote it. That this is what I want to give away tonight. Because anybody and everybody who follows this can always share this, which is common to anybody and everybody can find a new opportunity in life. Okay, it could be wealth, it could be education, it could be a new direction in your life. It's just your opportunity. It's not defined, but it's general. But if you want to make particular changes in your life, there are 16 quadrants of life. We can influence each and every that is responsible for your life. Provided you tell us that I want you to improve this part of my life. I'm happy with all the others, but I'm not satisfied with this part of my life. Because it will manifest because of that situation in your house or your office. If it's office work related, then it could be a relationship between the boss and the staff, the boss and the marketing, the boss and the sales. You understand? Boss and the quality control. So you need not have one location fixed for one boss. You can have hundreds of bosses in your factory. One is marketing, other is collection, third is management, fourth is research. They are all bosses. They cannot have a single location to sit. They will all need different locations to sit as per their expertise. You can understand logic? A person who is in finance needs to collect, and a person who is in sales needs to sell. It's totally different, but they are both bosses. Okay, then you have a boss who is responsible for saaf safai. Hai? So we have a location within the chakra where you have disposal units. So you put those people from disposal, or you put the dustbin in the disposal unit. So you can make them activated in that location. कि आपका काम उधर है ना? So they will sit in that location. So if you put a boss in the location of disposal, what will happen? What will happen? Everything will go into the disposable bin, because that energy will be motivated. No? So you can and it's possible to turn the fortunes round of a company, provided the company management understands that how is it possible? Why am I not getting good results despite having one of the best products in the world? So this case will be solved without any alterations, and all of them will be managed, because the cause is existing in the property and the effect is shown. Because that is when the client, when you talk to the client, immediately the client tells you, when you sit down for a meeting with them, that I don't have money, I'm bankrupt after coming into this property. You ask them, when? Since we moved into this house, I've always been in trouble. I've taken a new job and I've got a new office, and I'm really being in trouble since I took up this new job. Initially I never had this job, but I took it up as a promotion, but I'm now in a new cabin and it's really not working good for me. I want to talk on the kitchen counter because this is one of the basics in our house, right? And as a sign of prosperity, everything starts from the kitchen. What do you do when you plan a kitchen? The lady says, I want a granite counter because they are fed up of that kadappa and marble counter. So they want a pure granite counter. Okay, am I right? There was a time around when I was young. It was just marble. Now, what is it? Granite. That's the worst thing that you can have in your kitchen. That's the worst. That is why ladies, unfortunately, suffer from many forms of tumors. Uterus tumors, tumors in the breasts, tumors in the thyroid glands. Am I right or wrong? Can you tell me? Don't ladies suffer from more tumors than men?
Don't know.
Huh?
Don't know.
It's a fact. Why? Because granite, their ladies are always in the kitchen. Most of the time in the kitchen. And that chulla is on top of the granite counter. When you on the granite, on the gas, it heats. It heats up, it heats the granite. Now, the vibration of the granite, atomic structure starts vibrating. Okay? When you heat something, what happens? It starts emitting something. It is those emissions that are responsible for tumors. If you want to take it as a gift, you take it as a gift. If you don't want to take it as a gift, don't take it. It's okay. My main intention of writing it was so that since I am talking on health, I couldn't talk too much about it, but at least I can give a kitchen. Because if you follow my advice, you can definitely be happier. Simplest thing that you could do in your kitchen today is if you got a granite counter, which 90% of buildings today have granite. I am not giving you a specific answer to your kitchen in a particular location. If I have a layout and if I visit and on a vastu visit and if I am able to triangulate and analyze in which part of which zone does this kitchen fall, I can tell you the color of the marble that is required. Even if your kitchen is in a wrong direction, so it is there. It is going to manifest or may not manifest a problem in your life. It may or may not. But if you want to enjoy the benefits of that wrong placement in your life, one is nullify and second is enjoy the placement as it is without changing. It's possible. Once we analyze, we know in which direction which color stone to apply. All that is required to be done is, if this is your counter and this is your chulla, your gas burner, okay, and if this is granite, okay, this is only applicable if it's granite. If your counter is granite, please do this. In this location of the counter, you can measure that location and apply a marble, any color marble or kadappa or kota ka pathar below it. Create a barrier between the heat of the chulla and the granite counter. Okay? So what will happen is the heat from the gas will not penetrate into the granite counter and the chances of getting tumors will be greatly reduced. Am I right? It is worth implementing. The cost of that marble that you put to it is going to be hardly less than 200 rupees. It's around 18 inches by 2 feet, 3 feet. 3 feet today, if you take marble at 100 rupees a square foot, 300 rupees. So 300 rupees marble you just take, and nowadays you get marble tiles, patli wali. So if you want, you can take 2 tiles, patli wali, hardly 1 centimeter thick, and put them together below your counter. Marble tiles are cheaper. They come at 30-40 rupees a square foot, 50 rupees a square foot. Marble is around 100 rupees a square foot. So this is one of the simplest things that you can share with anybody, is under your granite, above your granite counter, below your gas, you can definitely place a marble sheet. Specifically, it can be done specifically. If your kitchen is in the northeast, southwest, west, west, east, west, northwest, north, southwest, whichever location the kitchen is located or the bathroom is located, a specific color or remedy can be analyzed, and that's not possible until we have the gridding of the property or the flat. So we've done the intro, we've understood the principle, and the principle is cause and effect. A problem will manifest in certain places very fast, in certain places it may not, because your energy is more powerful than the bad vastu of that toilet. So it's not hurt you at all or hurt anybody in your family, but it may be hurting somebody in the above flat, because they are also part of that. They also have the same place above you, so they will also manifest. You must have seen in your building somebody earns a lot of money by after shifting into this house, into this new house, and they say that this house is lucky for me, and the other person in the same apartment below you says this is not doing me any good. I have lost a lot of money after shifting into this house. Am I right? Haven't you seen it, sir? सर आपने महसूस किया कभी?
ऐसा तो किया है,
हाँ,
पर अभी ज़्यादा चर्चा कभी नहीं किया।
चर्चा क्यों नहीं ना? हाँ, because just
नहीं होता है।
हाँ हाँ, कैसे हो सकता है?
And मालूम नहीं पड़ता है कि कौन किससे कितना गुण होते हैं।
हाँ,
Normally people show off better।
हाँ,
तकलीफ भी होगी तो भी ऐसा
वो बताएंगे कुछ है नहीं, but you see that is when it becomes unbearable, then they start talking. But you just have to like.
Normal course में
I'll share an example. I was in a temple day before yesterday, and I met one of my cousins after many years, and he said, "Oh, I got diabetes." Just met me, and I do sujok. So he was discussing with me. I said, "Okay, I can do it like this and all." Then he started discussing with me, and he told me so much about his family, and I was looking at him. I said, I know you for 20 years, but you've never shared. He says, "Today I decided to share." Today I decided to share. And I looking at him, I said, "My God, and you've been suffering for 20 years and you didn't come to me." He said, I'm miserable. And he said, "Today I met you at the temple," and he said, "I have to talk to you." He says, "I've lost all my wealth that I had saved for my children's marriage in illness." And he says, "I watch you on TV, I see you in the temple, but I never thought that I should discuss it with you. I was embarrassed. Okay, I'm not well, how do I discuss it with you?" I said, "So you lost your money. It's not my money that you lost. You lost your money because you didn't decide to act. And if I'm known to you, you could have easily walked up to me. You're like a relation. If you don't come to me, I can't come into your house and ask you, what's your problem? Because I see his daughter, she's not healthy, because we are family. But I can't go and tell him that your daughter is too fat, she needs my treatment. It should come from their family, no? So people prefer to live with their illness rather than share their illness and find a solution to it. I did not want to stay with my illness. I solved my problem. I'm on national television today. I travel by plane. Wherever I travel, people recognize me. And they tell me, "Mr. Nurullah, you are a challenge." I said, "Yes." I decided to speak. I decided to take charge of my life, that I want to find a solution to my problem. And if I did not ask or hunt for a problem, situation, or a person who would help me, I would have still been there. I don't know where I would have been. But now I'm happy that I decided to do something and I survived. And we are making a difference in millions of lives worldwide. Just through our program every night on Ask Sachani. Takeaway tip. You can share this with anybody. This is my gift. Because I believe in giving gifts. I had an argument on a WhatsApp group yesterday on Vastu. He said, "Why do you want to share?" I said, "It's human nature to share." "No, but you shouldn't share it without a price." I said, "Price can be a thank you also." I said, if somebody thanks me after getting a new job, I'm paid. Or if they don't thank me, but they get money in their bank, I'm still paid. Because they got something out of the knowledge that I shared. So I'll tell you a case. 3 days ago, somebody watched my program on TV. And that night, the program was on urinary problems. On our Asta show, Sujok. And he had an accident in the morning. So the doctors gave him anesthesia. And, believe it or not, his urine output stopped. He could not pass urine. And luckily, they were in a private ward, in a room with a TV. So they watched my show and they watched Shilpa asking me a question on the bladder. I said, if you have any problem related to the bladder, press over here. Okay?
Left and right.
Any. And believe it or not, this is the truth. Morning operation, okay? Morning accident, till evening, 12:35 is my program, our program. It comes at midnight, 12:35. It's 22 minutes. It's been there for 7 years. Free of cost. Every night we are teaching people how to get well. So his wife heard this. She went to the husband and she pressed this location. Believe it or not, in 5 minutes he passed urine. Next morning, when the doctors came, the doctors were worried. And he told the doctor, full night I've been passing urine. The doctor said, you can go home. He phoned to thank me. I don't need money. It was that happiness that, when I heard him speak, that made my day. I was sharing this with my father. I said, people say, don't share. I said, I'm now sharing. This is what happened in one day. My father said, my God. I said, it works. It's proven. Na? I didn't even take a single paise. I just told what's to be done where. And he pressed that location after watching the show.
Mudra Vignan or acupressure?
No, this is acupressure. Sujok. But we show on TV. So, this is the power of...
Acupressure, Sujok.
No, sir, we are not talking on that. We'll talk about it later. We'll finish that. So, this is cause and effect. Cause, anesthesia. No urine output. Morning till evening. Doctors were putting in that tube to take out water. That's what they can do, na? But this is what we did. We taught it on TV and the urine came out. The last tip of the day. I want everybody to note this. I'm going to write it down. North direction. You put a blue color bottle. Bottle with water and money plant. For any type of opportunity in life, in your children, in your office, in your family life, in your business. If you are looking for some new opportunity, please do this and phone me and you'll see how opportunities come into your life. Because that is a zone for opportunity. Green is growth, blue is water. When it's placed in the correct location, what happens? Cause and effect, it has to work. Because we've given water to life. Life is plants. Blue is water. North is direction of water. That is the fundamental. This method of real Vastu is so effective that we've seen the results. The people who have used it vouch by it and they laugh. So fast. I said, yeah. I said, that's how fast it is. Because people today have failed to understand what is the real Vastu. They believe breaking is the real Vastu. Let me tell you one more thing. I'm on record. You cannot use multiple pyramids more than 3 4" by 4" in a house. I am sharing this on record. You cannot have more than 1 pyramid for a house of 1600 square feet, and the size of that pyramid maximum should be 8" by 8". Okay? If somebody tells you need 20 pyramids in your house, you are going to lose everything that you have attained, because a rightly placed pyramid, please mark my words, a rightly placed pyramid will magnify that quadrant of your life 108 times. How much? And a wrongly placed pyramid, the reverse, 108 times negative. You understand my words? If it's rightly placed in the right location, right quantity, cause and effect. And if you place it wrongly, cause and effect is going to come. Because they want to, I went into a hotel in Bandra for a meeting last week. Everywhere I could see was only pyramids. That hotel is on Bandra main road. It was empty. I told that owner, I said, you need a person like me. You don't need all these pyramids. Wherever I looked in his hall, I could only see pyramids. We are not selling pyramids. We give them for free. It only costs 50 rupees. You understand the principle? We don't need to sell pyramids. And any pyramid that you use should be non-metallic. It should not have a nail in it. You can make a pyramid out of cardboard. You can make it out of paper. You can make it out of stone. But it should not have a metal impregnating it. That's why all the pyramids that you see, the pyramids in Egypt, they are all they are not metallic. They are made out of stone. And if they wanted, they could have made thousands. They didn't make thousands. Why did they make a few? They calculated the area of Egypt, and that is how they made it. One pyramid for a certain area, but located in a particular part of Egypt for the maximum benefit. That's how they were constructed. That's why Vastu is such a deep science that it works. I'll give you the simplest reason today why Vastu works. Who are the richest people in the world today? The richest. Where is the maximum richness in this world today? Ambani's? Forbes? No. God. God lives in temples. The temples are the richest in the world today. You take Tirupati Balaji, you take Nasik, you take South India, you take North India. Don't all the gods have all the money? Why? Who made those temples? Kings. Whom did the kings hire? Vastu Shastris. So they deployed all that knowledge into the construction of these sacred monuments. That's why that king prospered. Because it was all designed in a perfect harmony. And when there is harmony, there is success. There are many cases in the world where monuments have crumbled, where dynasties have been wiped out. Why? Why? Because they made a structure, and that one structure destroyed the entire civilization. Because that was cause and effect. It is so deep a science that being a civil engineer, when I learned Vastu, I was shocked. And all the people in the entire hall were non-civil engineers. And when I stood up and I said, I always wanted to learn Vastu because I'm a civil engineer, everybody was laughing. They said, why? I said, if non-civil engineers are practicing Vastu, why can't civil engineers take it up as a scientific, scientifically, like A doctor can do an operation. I can't do an operation. But as a civil engineer, we can definitely understand dynamics, space, areas better. Okay, sir. Thank you all the rest. So what happens is, it's possible, cause and effect. Cause is good, results are better. Cause is negative, results will be bad. They will manifest. You feel it. I explained about this North India case. Maybe after 6 months, I'll show you the results of that house. I have yet to send the treatment to them. But that's a wonderful case. Kitchen counter, please install. You can share it with your friends. It's the simplest marble. Anything, any stone which is not granite. Don't worry of color. Because if I tell you color, then you'll be confused.
You have to put this marble and on that you have to put the gas.
गैस बस सिंपल हो गया ना. जैसे ये टीवी है, इसके नीचे ये इसके नीचे ये डाल दिया आपने, ये चूल्हा उठा के इसके ऊपर रख दिया, खत्म हो गया, है ना. सो द चूल्हा इज ऑन टॉप ऑफ द सिंपल. सो यू कैन हेल्प सो मेनी पीपल with this one knowledge. Second is share this north. Text your friends. WhatsApp में बता दो कि this is very very good thing in the north of your house. Who doesn't want opportunities today? Everybody needs a new opportunity. Wealth, health, it's opportunity, na? Better life. So this is a very good tip. So in north you can have blue bottle with water and you can have a money plant into it. Take care of it. It will give you a lot of wealth. Kitchen counter, case, Vastu principles, and we are available every night on Astha channel, daily at midnight. This is my number. This is Shilpa's number, and we practice real Vastu. It's really wonderful that I've been able to understand it so nicely, and we started implementing it. But I believe that there's always a right time for everything. नहीं, I told you ना. It has to be put in a specific direction, in a specific location as per need. You don't know the need. You have a need, but you don't know the exact location. If I tell you put it in the north, it might harm you. So we cannot pass judgment unless we see the location of the house or the property, and then accordingly we can decide. It's not as simple as it is made out to be. It's not as that simple. It requires thought. It requires a process to understand it. Okay, what needs to be activated, and then accordingly we will put it. And if it's in a house, it has to be the size of your palm. That is the size of one pyramid, and that's normally 4 inches by 4 inches. This palm size, that is the size of the pyramid for one house. But if it's 1600 square feet, then you need 8 inch by 8 inch. But you cannot have pyramids in even numbers. You have to have them in odd. You can take maximum 3. Maximum 3, not more than 3. Then you need, if you're taking 3, then you need 4 inches by 4 inches or 6 inches by 6 inches, 3 pyramids. You can't use 8 pyramids in a house. Too strong. 1600 square feet, one pyramid. So why should you worry on number of pyramids? It should be one pyramid that solves your problem, no? And you don't need pyramid made out of gold, silver, brass. You need a plastic pyramid, or a pyramid made of stone, or a pyramid made out of cardboard. So there should be nothing metallic on it or inside it. So that is one more misconception. So we combine many methods. Our patients suffer from, the people who come to us for treatment, somebody suffers from diabetes, ulcerative colitis, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, MND, muscular dystrophy. We've got success in all of them because we've been able to combine different methods. We've been able to combine food supplements and space. Space is Vastu. So combining all these 3, homo, hetero, neutro and God above, 4, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh और भगवान. तो जिसके पास ये 4 चीज होगी वो कभी दुख में नहीं हो सकता. हमारे पास ये 4 मेथड है. 3 मेथड तो ये हैं ही, चौथा भगवान है ऊपर. So it's very simple. If you understand the fundamentals of life, you need all these energies. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh जी, ये तो चाहिए, और ऊपर से भगवान चाहिए. जब ये चार आ जाते हैं तो सब सफलता मिलती मिलती. सबका आशीर्वाद होता है ना, ब्रह्मा जी का, विष्णु जी का और महेश जी का. तो ये इसके लिए ये 3 मेथड हमने एनालाइज किए. वन इज मेथड्स, hundreds of methods, food supplements, few, space, and space we can influence through colors. The colors, we can shift this TV from here to here, influence, because maybe this location is not required, activation. But if the TV is put in a location to activate people to come in, and if this TV is left on, people will start walking in, because it is motivation. I did it with a client. I told him something about sales, and I didn't increase his sales till today, but I got clients from his shop because I told him do this, and he did it. And some clients asking him, why you did this? He says, because of Vastu. So those clients said, even we want to do it. So opportunities. So just by making a certain change in somebody's shop, we could get clients. So it is very good science. If you have any queries, you can always get in touch. These are our numbers. We are always available. Thank you very much. God bless you.